an international student and as a native speaker, how do you think I can learn German faster? By speaking is always the goal, I would say, you know. And you know, quick thing, my English teacher at the Cambridge thing, he explained me actually that with English it is wait, quickly. So with English it's like this, you know, it's pretty easy. Like if you see the learning process, you know, it's pretty easy to go in. You can easily talk to the people with a little bit of knowledge, and then the farther you go, the harder it gets. So for example, he said we are actually up here on the C1, and there it's really only exceptions and it's actually kind of hard. With German on the other side, it's easy not to get into it. Like you have to learn all this different stuff, like the triangular is exactly on the like different mirrored, or however you call it, reflected. Like it's really hard to get into the language because there are so many different rules, but when you cross this line, then it actually gets easier and easier. And I think of crossing this line, the most important is by reading and listening and talking. Wow, interesting. Yeah, he explained, like he learned also German, or if I understood it right. Otherwise, I think he couldn't, I don't know, has an opinion on this whole topic. And I think this is actually interesting because I also found, like, English, it was so easy to get into it, and German is actually the first barrier is the hardest one, I would say. Anyways, we go for the third one. Pascal, can you give me some your German brain cells, please? Would make the German learning much faster. Yeah, I would love to. But then I would also love to have like your guys' English brain cells, especially when it comes to this shit. I hope the next session goes better. Let's go. 3 out of 4. Let's go.